Blessed day mga ka-faith. Let me remind you of a powerful promise. Nehemiah chapter 8 verse 10. Do not sorrow, for the joy of the Lord is your strength. And let's understand joy using acronym JOY. Una, Jesus first. Real joy begins when Jesus is first. Kapag siya ang center ng buhay mo, you stand firm kahit may challenges. And when Jesus is first, next, obey His word. Joy grows when we obey the word of God. Obedience brings peace, and that peace becomes strength sa puso natin. And when we obey, finally, yield your worries. Isurrender mo lahat ng takot, stress, at bigat kay Lord. When you yield your worries, He fills you with joy that lifts you up again. This is Pastor Francis. The joy of the Lord is not just happiness. Ito ang source ng lakas natin. It strengthens your mind, your heart, and your spirit, so you can keep going kahit gaano kahirap ang season mo. Like, follow, and share for more encouragement. God bless. Shalom.